Welcome to AmbitionBox. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to invite employees to rate your company and how they can submit a review. Start by logging into the AmbitionBox employer dashboard using your official email address. Once logged in, on the left side of the dashboard, you will see the Engage Your Employees section. Then click on Invite Employees to Rate. Select the invitation template named Rate Your Company. Enter employee email IDs manually or upload a list of email addresses. You can invite up to 1,000 employees at a time. You can also copy the link for the review form from here and share it with your employees. Review the invitation details on the screen and click the Send button to share the invite. Employees will receive the invitation on their email and can click the link provided. The link will redirect them to the AmbitionBox review form. Employees can rate different aspects of the company and add comments based on their experience. After completing the form, they can submit the review. It's that easy. For any assistance, please contact support at ambitionbox.com. Thank you.